Hey guys, Gaming Geeks here, bringing you Cops and Robbers. See if you like it. Okay. Don't let him out! Don't let him out! He's a bad guy. Oh, thank you for locking them both in. You know what? I'm glad I have a sword. Ethan. Look up here. Ethan, look up here. Ethan, look up here. Ethan, look where I'm at on the little thing. Watch this. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. It's a personal execute. It's a personal execute. Dun 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 dun. Ethan, the glitch don't work anymore.
1 minute.
I broke the glitch. Fine, come on, you get out. You are allowed out. Come on. Come on. Come on. If you want out, if you want, oh my God. If you want out, come out. If you want out, come out. Okay then. 3, 2, 1.
I can't stupid person, no warden. Ow! You just got something. Hey, dude, no, please. I'm already out. I didn't do anything wrong. No, you're already out like 5 times. That's why you're on camera. He's already out.
Yeah! 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 I'm a ghost, bro! I'm a ghost! Die! Die! Oh my God, he's raging. No, you didn't.
You were already dead. Last time.
Why do I keep responding up here? I don't how do I get out of here?
Ryan, I'm doing something. Quit it.
I can't fly no more! I lost my power.
I'm getting in my jail cell. I just spawned out of my jail cell for some reason.
You don't spawn in a jail cell. That's the reason you have to go back in. Hey, warden. Give me food.
Okay, follow me. Where are you?
I'm in the cafeteria.
Where's the guy? Okay.
Sir?
I need to go take a shower. Let me out.
Fine, I'll come let you out. Come on.
I need to go take a shower.
Hey, remember, I'm a good guy. I'm a good inmate.
Taking a shower. Hey, I was using that. Taking a shower, taking a shower.
What's this thing?
How do I blow this in since I'm saying taking the shower.
Hey, want to take a shower together? Yeah, let's take a shower together.
I need to go to the cafeteria. To the
Go.
go.
Serve him.
Ethan, what are you doing?
I'm fixing my camera. For some reason it's not
Oh, steak.
now.
Hooray! Right? I'm going back to my jail room.
Me too.
I'm all out of food. I need more. I need to go take a shower again. I'm all out of food. Hey! Why are you killing me? Rhino hit me! Rhino hit me!
I hit him because he's being a whiny butt. I have my own armor. I have my own armor.
I'm all out of food.
I have my own. You can keep it.
Yes.
I need all my food. I need to take a bath.
Hey, guess what? Guess what?
Hey, who are you?
You're ugly. I don't like ugly people in my prison. Oh, I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Right.
No, that's mine.
Oh, it's mine. It's mine, Red. Oh, you suck. Look at my admin cell.
Whee! I love jumping. Let me in. Ethan. Ethan.
What?
You got the wrong person in here. I'm sick.
Oh, yeah, buddy.
Okay, I get you. I'm not Santa Claus. No! I'm Santa Claus!
No, no, no. No, no. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back.
Hey!
Run!
To go to the shower! Wait, I need to
Oh, God. Okay, I'm getting myself. I'm getting myself. Oh, my God. I'm trying. Way to kill you now. Dumbest idea you ever had. Dude, stop. Stop. He got in admin cell. You got an admin cell. This is only admins.
Let us out.
Let us out.
Not fair. I come to the cafeteria and I'll get killed. I'm not
Warden. Warden. Can we play red light, green light? Can we play red light, green light?
Ryan, turn gamer tags off.
No. Actually, yes.
They're right here.
Dude, he wants to. You want to play too? Come on. Come on. You want to play too? You want to play red light, green light?
Yeah.
Come on.
They're right here. Here's the starting line. I want to play red light, green light.
No, starting line is. Yeah, I guess right here. Right here. Or right here. Right here.
Okay. It starts right here.
Okay.
Here it starts.
Hey, get him too. Get Mrs. Claus.
Okay, he doesn't want to play red light, green light. Okay, so. Red light, green light.
No, everyone be quiet.
Kill him.
Everyone be quiet. Wait, what?
Green light. Hey, no, I'm not doing that. I said green light. I said red light.
Oh, I thought you said green light. No one talk. No one talk. No one talk.
Hold up.
Why am I the only prisoner?
No, you can play. You can play with us.
I need to go take a shower.
No, you have to pray. No, you have to play the game.
Alright, let's play.
One sec.
Come back.
You have to play. Well, you refuse to play.
Stop killing me!
What are you doing?
Come on. No, Ethan, if you go in there, he can kill you. Ethan, if you go in there, he can kill you.
Stop killing me! I'm not doing anything! I'm playing games!
Okay, let's start. No, Ethan, we're playing. Ethan, we're playing.
You guys won't let me do
Green light.
anything.
Red light. Green light. Red light.
Ethan jumped.
I was in the middle of the air.
It's not fair. I'm the only one that has to do all this stuff.
Red light.
I didn't know. Stop, I didn't know. I thought you said green light.
Red light.
Crap, stop saying red light.
Oh, you're not allowed to shoot the bow.
You're not allowed to use bows.
Green light. Green light. Red light.
I won. No, I won. I was there first.
Hey, what's up, man? Dude, I want the whole game. Give me some stuff.
Da, sucker.
I think I'm stuck.
Oh my gosh.
You forgot I can fly.
Something's wrong with the shower. Hey!
What?
Help me with the shower.
Never.
Stuck in it.
Oh, good. I shall.
Let me out of the shower. The shower stinks. Oh wait, I did
No,
it.
it's you that stinks.
Nope. Oh, get it. Die.
Not anything but, guys, not brag.
I will win this for Mother Russia.
Stop.
I think I'm stuck again.
Guys, I escaped the prison. That's what I'm trying to get.
Run, Ethan, run.
I already won the whole game.
No, we all have to escape.
Oh, but I'm killing the villager now. What?
Whoa, I can run super fast. Jump. Oh, God.
Where are y'all just spawning? It's more dudes.
Aiden, watch this.
How about, guys, let's put our,
Okay, let's play a different mini game.
Alright, that is all for this time. More?
Rhino, can we play
If you would like to request a mini game,
Well, guys, so that's going to be it for today. Yeah. Like, subscribe, comment. Yeah. Gamers out.